hold position at 40 feet. We need to check alignment before proceeding to the joiner.
Check the routing on this harness. It doesn't match the schematic.
We need to reroute it before the inspection.
We need to adjust the torque settings on the starboard engine mount.
I agree. Let's run the diagnostic sequence again before we proceed.
We've got a slight misalignment right above you.
I see it. Need the hydraulics up here?
Look at the thermal signature here. It's perfectly uniform.
Yes, the bond looks strong. We are clear for the next phase.
Verify the thickness reading on the trailing edge.
Confirmed. Data matches the schematics. Alignment confirmed. Initiate sequence.
Locking complete. Moving to the next segment.
Bay 4 vent pressure stabilizing at nominal.
Confirmed. Pump assembly torque check complete. Moving to the outflow valve.
The routing here seems off by 3 millimeters.
Tablet shows green, but the physical clearance is tight.
Let's sweep it again. Confirm the tolerances.
We need a micro adjustment on the starboard actuator.
Copy that. Adjusting now. Grid is stable.
Perfect alignment. Proceed.
Slow and steady, Character B. Watch your alignment.
Reading green on all mounts, engineer. Proceeding with final approach.
Let's double check this wiring harness connection. Looks good. I'll mark it as verified.
The readings are stable. APU is online.
Confirmed. Log the activation sequence as complete.
Initial rotation looks good.
Temperature and pressure holding steady.
Let's double check this wiring harness connection. Looks good. I'll mark it as verified.
The readings are stable. APU is online.
Confirmed. Log the activation sequence as complete.
Initial rotation looks good.
Temperature and pressure holding steady.
This is where raw engineering meets visual identity.
The aircraft rests under controlled temperature and airflow. Sensors monitor humidity and heat. The primer layer stabilizes.
How's the symmetry on the forward section?
Looks spot on. The projection is perfectly aligned.
How are the tail numbers looking?
Perfect. Alignment is spot on according to the standards.
There's a minor imperfection here near the seam.
I've noted it.
And it's corrected. Flawless now. Let's keep moving.
Pass me the strap on your left.
There you go. Make sure it's tight against the duct. Engaging the ratchet now.
Looks good. The mechanism is solid.
Agreed. Capacity checkout.
Seats locked and secured on track 4.
Confirmed. Power and entertainment initializing sequence successful.
Fit and finish are flawless. Everything aligned?
Confirmed. The cleaning is complete.
Excellent work. We are clear for delivery.
All systems green. Rollout sequence initiated. We are clear to proceed. Final walk around complete.
Copy that. Ready for engine start confirmation.
The sensor readings on the left wing look nominal.
Agreed. Cross-reference with the fuel pressure validation.
Systems check. Alpha.
Flight controls active.
Confirmed. Parameters in the green.
Gear extension sequence initiated. Check pressure.
Pressure is nominal. Downlocks confirmed secure. Good.
Retracting gear.
Pressure stabilizing at 8,000 feet.
Confirmed. Cabin differential is holding steady.
Warning. Cabin pressure critical. Oxygen masks deployed. Verification successful.
All checks clear on the fuselage points.
Agreed. The documentation matches the physical inspection. We are good to sign off.
All data points confirmed. Weight and balance validated.
V1, rotate.
Positive rate, gear up.
Rejected takeoff.
80 knots, rejected takeoff confirmed.